Hi everybody, this is our daily agenda for Thursday, May 27th. For today, we are finishing up our poetry portfolio. So, we're going to get started after we do our warm-up, which will be Quill. We are moving on to, I'm going to introduce you guys to our task cards. They look like this. This is what you guys will be looking at once you finish your poems. You are going to go ahead and see make sure that you have your sonnets, make sure you have your haikus, make sure you have a free verse, and make sure you have your slam poems. So you have to make sure that you have each one of those poems and make sure you have all the elements for each poem. You guys also have my rubrics, so if you want to make sure you're getting the most possible points you can, make sure that you have each of these steps done. So this is just going to be a task card for each of the poems. If you're still looking on how to write it, of course, all my videos are up. We also have sonnets, haikus, free verse, and slams. So all of that is up. And then as our exit ticket for today, we're going to be looking at how the lack of structure helps us understand poetry better, since we are going to be going through a slam poem. I do want to make a note for slam poetry and talk about it briefly. Slam poem has no structure, similar to the free verse, but a slam poem, as we saw, is a lot longer usually than a free verse poem. You must have at least 2 full stanzas, so more than 3 verses each. Remember, your free verse was just 1 stanza with 3 verses at least. You need 2 full stanzas for this. You must have some form of personification. You must have some form of tone. Write about anything you're passionate about. Write about a special memory that has a lot of emotion. You must record yourself performing the slam poem and attach it to your poetry portfolio. You guys have seen how to do that. You've done that before in our Gate Showcase and in our digital portfolio, so that is up for you guys. All right, ladies and gentlemen, if you have any questions, as always, please feel free to reach out to me, reach out to Ms. Arroyo, reach out to Ms. Reyes, and we'll help you guys out. Other than that, I will see you guys in class.